out from Rossi on second in the grid, also from Stoner just in front of him. But look at Hayden on the inside. Hayden coming through and taking second position. Valentino Rossi goes through and leads in the US Grand Prix. Now, what can he do from this position? What we're going to see here as they come into turn one across the start-finish line. We're on board with Nicky Hayden, but it looks as though Stoner, who just set the fastest lap of the race at 1:22.3. Well, Rossi goes through and pushes Stoner. Well, Casey won't like that one bit. Tries to take the pace, doesn't he? Has a bit more drive coming out of that corner, but Rossi stood strong. Stoner in second position once more. Round the outside, going up the Rahal straight up.